Hello students, it's me, Miss Mithlani. I am just here checking in with you to see how things are going. I really, yes, I want to check in with you, but also want to update you as to what's going on this week. So let's look at it together. I know some of you already have logged into the Moodle page. They've already done the assignments for this week. But for those of you that haven't, let's quickly look at what's going on. So now remember a couple weeks ago, specifically in the week of September 13th, we started talking about infancy. That week we talked about the physical development in infancy. Last week we focused on cognitive development during infancy, and then this week we've moved on to the last section of infancy, but focusing on social and personality development. As always, you're going to have your chapter 6 quiz due, and that's due on Thursday. As always, all your quizzes are due on Thursday. You also have an infographic assignment due this Friday. If you haven't already started it, you want to start it as soon as possible. I've been talking about it for the last 2 weeks, but just quickly I want to highlight a few things. If you choose to do PowerPoint, you use one slide. One slide should have all the information, because remember, it's a poster that you're creating. You're sitting in a doctor's office, you're looking at the wall, trying to learn something new about this topic. One slide can be printed out into a big poster. That's what you're looking at, okay? So you select a topic that interests you, a debatable topic like breastfeeding or vaccinations or circumcision, gender-neutral parenting, co-sleeping, or any other topic that you came across while reading some of these chapters. You go to the library's page, website, and then following these steps, you're going to locate a journal article that specifically talks about the topic that you talked about or you picked. Suppose it's something about how does breastfeeding impact social and emotional development. What does breastfeeding say about brain development? Anything that interests you, that's what you want to look further into, and then you do some research, and then you find 3 new things that you find about that topic. Okay, you're not finding 3 new topics, you're finding 3 new findings about that topic. So if it's breastfeeding, what are new findings related to breastfeeding? And then you want to include that in your infographic along with some images, some eye-catching images to enhance the message of your poster or the flyer that you're going to post in the doctor's office. I keep saying the doctor's office. Let me explain why I keep saying that. So basically what you're creating is a poster. Imagine sitting in a doctor's office and you're waiting in the lobby and you look at the wall and you say, oh, here's something interesting, and you want to look at it and learn 3 new things very quickly from looking at that poster. So if it's breastfeeding, what are some 3 new findings? You want some texts and some images, right? But those images, now if you have 2 different pictures of a mother holding a baby breastfeeding from different angles, you're not doing anything good. One image to represent that is good, but the second one should be something different, enhancing the message that you're trying to put across. So some 3 new things and 2 relevant images along with your references in the APA format. That references, you can either put it at the bottom of your visual or on a separate page, and then you will also write a 200 to 500 word summary on a separate sheet of paper summarizing what you have learned. And then last thing is that you might find this information, you might find an example of this on pages 210 to 11 of your textbook. If you don't have the textbook, it's just a summary page. If you're using the online version of it, it's just a summary page showing you an example. And the last thing I'm going to focus on is the rubric. Look at the grading rubric as you complete this assignment. This shows you or tells you exactly what you're expected to do. All right, if there are any questions, shoot me an email, shoot me a message. I'm here. I'll be able to respond within 24 to 48 hours. And yeah, just let me know. All the best. And looking forward to looking at those assignments. Take care. Bye bye.